She is the.
Well, it is Sunday, and I am in the office getting ready to see some clients here in Moorestown, New Jersey. Did come out with a blog article today regarding pretrial discovery in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. And in that article, I outlined when you are entitled to discovery and what needs to be in that discovery. This is a very common question that we receive from clients in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. It's one of the first questions that we receive from clients. When can I see my discovery? When can I get my discovery? And the answer, like a lot of answers to legal questions, is it depends. Now, in Pennsylvania, you are not entitled to discovery until after the preliminary hearing. In New Jersey, you're not entitled to it until after the indictment. Now, there are exceptions to both of these rules. In Pennsylvania, in some cases, you do receive discovery if an offer is made in the case which asks you to waive the preliminary hearing and enter into a guilty plea following that waiver. Same thing in New Jersey. If you receive what's known as a pre-indictment offer and they're asking you to plead to accusations, in many cases, we will make a request for discovery and the prosecution will provide it to us, maybe not all of it, but most of it. And we'll be in a position where we can evaluate the offer. In a lot of those cases, we're not advising clients to take pre-indictment offers or to waive preliminary hearings, because remember that in Pennsylvania, the preliminary hearing isn't a finding of guilt, it is a finding of a prima facie case. And the evidentiary standard is whether it's more probable than not that a prima facie case is established and whether or not the case can proceed to trial. In New Jersey, following an arrest, we don't have to concede probable cause, and we can argue probable cause at a detention hearing, and frequently we do that. It is a very much a common situation where we do not concede probable cause. Even without full discovery, we make an argument, but please understand that in Pennsylvania and New Jersey, the prosecution, whether it be the state in New Jersey or the Commonwealth in Pennsylvania, does not need to establish guilt beyond a reasonable doubt at either one of these proceedings. It only needs to establish probable cause, i.e. prima facie case against the individual. If you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, website gambonellaw.com. As always, a tremendous resource for you and your family. All of my books, my blogs, my videos are available there in one convenient format. We did come out with our e-update on Friday, which went out to over 4,000 of our current and former clients in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. Some fantastic articles in there, and also some fantastic articles coming from our law firm later on this summer. I will be having Rick Collins on the podcast later on in the week. Rick is a tremendous resource in the area of performance-enhancing drugs. He's an attorney who practices out of Long Island, New York, but has pretty much a national practice where he represents a lot of athletes, fitness professionals, bodybuilder types, and he has a great resource of information if you are charged with a crime involving performance-enhancing drugs, and also whether it be on the criminal side or perhaps the administrative side, if you are an athlete in a position where you're possibly facing a suspension or a ban. Rick is definitely a person that I would advise you to reach out to. So once again, if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Have a great Sunday, and I'll talk to you all very soon.